Do you see this? Do you? 'Cause I do. And I'm sure that I'm not the only woman on the earth facing this problem. But there's a super promising bra that I keep watching on TikTok. And guess what? I bought it so you don't have to. Let's try it. So I'm closing it here, then I pull it. Let's bend down and jump. Shake them. Oh my god, it's really working. I feel them so tight. Those boobies won't go anywhere.
Anyone else have this problem? Putting a few of your plugs in and then you're out of space? Introducing the curved outlet extender from Amazon. You can use all your devices no matter how big the plugs are. No more problems with these pesky cables.
This is a face roller I saw on TikTok, and it's made out of volcanic stone. It's supposed to smoothen your skin out completely if you are as oily as me. It actually works. Can you see the difference? Look, here it is with the product and here without the product. This product is 10 out of 10. I just received this levitating light bulb. I'm so excited. All we have to do is gently place it on top, and after a few tries, it floats on its own. And it works like a normal bulb.
We've all had these moments drinking from the milk bottle directly, right? Well, no more. This is what I got after seeing it on TikTok. Never have to deal with these hygiene problems again. Throw them out the window. What a cool invention, and it's so easy to use.
Oh my god, I saw a girl using this foam maker on TikTok and I just received it. I can't wait to try it. Pick your favorite cleanser, add some water, and start pumping. Wow, it looks like a marshmallow foam. Feels really, really nice on my skin.
This is so awesome. Come with me. Was it a really necessary purchase? I don't have the right answer for you guys. Have you ever wondered if you really need this gadget? The answer is a little bit obvious. Now, this is how all glue should be. I saw this on TikTok the other day and I had to get it. Look at this. The perfect tool for repairs on the go and DIY projects. It cures in seconds to make a strong and lasting bond. Dries and hardens clear for less noticeable repairs. Let's take my broken glasses and try it out. Water resistant and heat resistant properties. Bish bash bosh and it's done. It's that simple. Amazing bite. I love it. There's no breaking this.
Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. When I hear that music, it gets me on my feet, makes me wanna dance all night. Don't make me remember everything you did, 'cause I don't wanna hurt inside. Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. And I always wanna feel like this. I close my eyes and all my troubles fade away. You was once got so deep into me, but tonight I won't let that out.
told me that it wasn't right. I knew it first that time, and even if I was blind, and all those possibilities really knocked me off my feet, surrounding all my dreams. And all I know that was left now, the sun and the stars, now leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all. 'Cause you are the fire left in me, you lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You make me strong, I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me. Left in me. I've never been that much for love, but being free better than none. Tried it before with all I got, and all I know that was left now, the sun and the stars, leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all. 'Cause you are the fire left in me, you lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You make me strong, I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me. Left in me. When all those dreams got caught up right in the